In this problem, we're given that a square has a side of 5 and a circle has a diameter of 14 radical pi over pi. We want to determine the positive difference between the area of the square and the area of the circle. So with a square, we take the sides, 5, and square it. So 5 squared is 25. Circle, they gave us the diameter, which is 14 squared pi over pi. Now, in order to find the area of the circle, we're going to need the radius. So the radius is half of that. So that's going to be 7 square root of pi over pi. So the area is pi r squared. So when we square everything inside, we get 49 times pi on top over pi squared on the bottom. So one of these pi's cancels. So we're left with 49 over pi. And then these pi's will cancel, leaving 49. So we want the positive difference between 49 and 25. So when we subtract those, we get 24. There's our answer, and we're done.